Yo guys, today I'm going to show you how to download the Projector app onto your device so you can actually go ahead and project your phone onto the wall. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to do it. Alright, so I found a website where you can actually go ahead and do this. It's called zoomods.com. So come over to this site and just type in Projector. And you're going to see the Projector mod right there. This app is not in the App Store for some reason. So we're going to download it, and then it's going to start downloading. So I don't think Apple likes this. I am using an Android phone in this video, but this will work on an iPhone as well. So let's just wait for it to download here, as you can see. So that's the website, guys, zoomods.com. So yeah, it's downloading right now, so we just got to give it a second to go ahead and finish. So before it downloads, you may see something come up that tells you that you need to download some additional files. So this is normal, guys. They're from the App Store. So as you can see, we got all these apps here. So we're just going to pick 2 of them, download them, and run them. So this one says reach level 10. So just press on it and then press continue, and it brings you to the Play Store. You download it and reach level 10. Now I am on Android, so if you're on an iPhone, it's going to bring you to the App Store, obviously. But then we've got like Merge Gardens install and reach level 9. So just press on it, same thing. So be sure to try it out. See you guys later, but just do 2 of them. There's a video to watch if you're confused, and then the app will download. So it's pretty wild, and it actually works, guys. So if you do need to project stuff, you can actually use this app, and it will literally project stuff onto your wall. As you can see, look at that, bro. That is insane. So I'm going to see you guys later, but make sure you guys go ahead and complete this verification process, and you guys are going to be all set. So I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, be sure to go ahead and subscribe. This is super cool, guys, and it totally works. So yeah, peace out.